Hey everyone, welcome back. Here's how to sign up for PrizePicks and create your account so you can start playing. First, open the App Store on iPhone or on Android, then search for PrizePicks and install the app. Once installed, open it. Wait for the app to load. On the welcome screen, tap on the sign up button. Now you can sign up using your email address. Enter your email address, then create a username, then create a strong password. Make sure you remember the details. Now enter your full name, date of birth, and address. This is required for account verification and for security. Accept the terms and conditions. Tap create account. Check your email inbox for the verification code if asked. After that, you'll be signed in into your account. That's it. Your PrizePicks account is now ready. Subscribe for more simple app guides.